Hi everyone, Kevin McNamara here and welcome to another video. This one is called 5 Steps for Prostate Health. Now I'm certain anybody that follows these 5 steps will be healthy, regardless of how your prostate is, but anybody who has any kind of illness, any kind of depression, that kind of thing, you follow these steps and I promise you, you'll be back on your way to full health within no time. What's number 1? Responsibility. You have to take full responsibility for your life. Everything you do comes back to you. If you're blaming other people, blaming the government, blaming your ex, whatever, you're a victim. And you're going to be in that victim mentality. You've got that negative attitude. It's not going to work. Take full responsibility for every little single thing that you do and your life will change. Number 2, you've got to have a meaning and you've got to have purpose in life. You've got to have that North Star. So what's your meaning? What's the thing that drives you? What gets you out of bed in the morning? You have to work out what that is. So what do you love doing? What's a hobby you maybe love that you can do and maybe make it a business? But there needs to be something there that is driving you every single morning to get up, get out of bed and go and live. Because if you haven't got that meaning, that purpose, then what's the point? Seriously. That's number 2 and a really important one. Number 3, exercise. You have to exercise. If you're not exercising, because exercising gets the body moving, gets that breath going through the body, it helps the bloodstream, it helps all those cells inside your body. If you're not moving your body, you're not growing. And if you're not growing, guess what you're doing? You're dying. So don't be someone who's dying. You've got to move. It doesn't matter what you do. And if you can do half an hour a day, you can do an hour a day, whatever it might be. I've just come from the gym actually, and I run there, have my half hour to an hour workout, and then run back, and I feel great. So you have to be doing something every single day, and I do that most days. You have to be moving your body. If your body is moving, then it's also healing because the blood's moving around your body. It's going to those places that need healing, like your prostate, and it's going to help them to heal. So exercise is really, really important. Number 4. You have to ditch the junk food and get onto a predominantly, say, 80% plant-based diet. If you're not eating a good, healthy plant-based diet, or at least good healthy food, which that's what plants are, plants, nuts, legumes, all those kinds of things. If you're not eating that, what you are is what you eat. And if you're eating junk, then your body's going to become junk, your mind's going to become junk. So you've got to cut out the junk food. You can have it occasionally. It's not one of those things where you just cut it out totally. Have it, maybe once a week instead of having it every single day. Because that's just messing with your brain, it's messing with your body, messing with your heart, messing with your prostate. So get on to good, healthy food. Lots of fasting, lots of water, that kind of thing. If you're not doing that, then really, you're struggling. Number 5, and the final one, meditation. Meditation is ultra important because meditation helps you to calm your body. If you're trying to heal yourself, meditation will help you to heal. It will get rid of the stress. It'll give you some inner peace. And when you've got that calmness, that inner peace, and you're eating healthy, then your body has a chance to heal. It has a chance to heal. While it's all stressed and negative and you're in a toxic relationship and you hate your job and all that kind of thing, it's not going to heal. So meditation brings in that silence, brings in that beautiful inner peace, and when you've got that, your body can heal. Without it, you're going to really struggle. Really important, those 5 things, guys, that anybody out there with any kind of illness, with any kind of disease, any kind of, whatever you may have, it might be depression, it might be anything at all. And this is great for people with depression. You ask anybody with depression those 5 questions. Do you meditate? Do you eat a predominantly plant-based diet? Do you exercise? Do you have some kind of meaning in your life? Do you take responsibility? And if they're doing all that, I guarantee you won't be depressed. You can't be, because this is the meaning of life. You've got purpose, you get out of bed, you're raring to go, you're taking responsibility, you're meditating, you're doing all those things. And those 5 things seriously are going to help you move forward. And they're going to heal you. So really, for me, it's a no-brainer. I do these things every single day, and I feel great. I feel like a 25-year-old. So get onto it. Those 5 steps, really, really important, guys. I'll go through them just quickly once more. Responsibility. Take responsibility Find a meaning in your life, that North Star, something to live for, that meaning. Exercise, eat a plant-based diet as often as you can, and meditate. Your life will change. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that little red button down below there and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Like the video, share it with your friends, leave a comment below any questions you might have in regards to those the 5 real keys to prostate health. Let me know. Thanks again. See you real soon. Bye-bye.